Hey guys, and welcome. Are you looking for best way, best WordPress, plugin, themes, and many more to build up your website? And for the record, this is not just WordPress, this is different templates. Have you ever wondered, like, an amazing website was built in 24 hours? Like, how can they do it? How can they do something like that? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain to you in details how people do get to see different templates online, probably buy and some free. So how to get them, and probably in the coming videos I'll teach you how to start editing those templates. But now in this video I'll explain to you how they get those templates and how to buy them, and different websites you can see those templates. You understand what I'm trying to say? So if this is what you are looking for, I'll show you everything right now. So now the main website that almost everybody knows that you can get templates for WordPress, template kit, hosting, HTML templates, CSS template, marketing, different templates, different category of templates. The best place to see it is Themeforest.net. Themeforest is a well-known big brand website out there. If you search for anything related to theme, you will see Themeforest there. Let's search it. Let me show you guys quickly, real quick. Let's search for just theme. You will see Themeforest result is going to be the #1 result that you are going to see. No long cap, guys, no long cap. So it's kind of crazy. Yeah, so let's imagine you are looking for a theme or a template for, let me say, my website is portfolio website, and I want people to know about me. Okay, I'm a website designer. Let me say, okay, a website designer template. Okay, so now we have different category of a website designer. So we have website designer in WordPress, HTML, different designs like that. They will give you suggestions of what you can do and how you can get them. So now you will see different designs coming up little by little, so you can preview them. You can preview the designs. You can check it. Okay, if this is okay by you, let me quickly preview it, and you can say, okay, now I love this. Okay, let's imagine I love this. Then you can easily add it to your cart. Then you can check out. Very easy. Those themes, those templates, they are very easy. You can have access to it, you can view it, and they are easy and they are looking good. So with something like this, you can easily get a complete design of your website. You might be wondering, how is it going to look like? Let's imagine I make a purchase now. How is it going to look like? Well, if you go under the download section here, you are going to see all the templates that you buy. Like of me, as you can see, these are all the templates that I owned. So there are many. There are like tons of templates, tons of design that I've used for my clients. Anyway, guys, okay, this is not part of the video. If you need to design your website, I can completely help you with that, so you can just reach out to me. So with that out of the way, so let's continue with what we are doing here. So, and as you can see, it's very easy. You have different options of downloading it. You can either download all the file and the document, which includes the license, understand, or you can download only the let's imagine the theme. Then you can later download the license, because you always need a license to verify that you truly own the template or the theme that you are about to use. So that is all about Themeforest. There are different things, different company related to Themeforest, which includes Evanto, because the main company is Evanto, but it's under Themeforest. So they have Codekion, they have a Video Hype, they have Audio Jungle, different companies related combined in one. So it's kind of a crazy. I'll put a link in the description. So if you want this website, or you want to download anything or any template, you probably hear about Themeforest already. Now let's talk about Themeforest alternatives. #1 there is a Mojo Marketplace. So they are kind of almost the same thing with Themeforest, but not well equipped like Themeforest. So you can also see different templates by searching, by doing different things, different, all the ones that are popular. So now these are Joomla themes, Magneto, Magento, PrestaShop themes, email templates, well designed stuff here. They are here too, and they are doing okay, but it's not related to for like Themeforest now, they have other jungle, video, code canyon, other kind of stuff, but these guys are only limited to plugins and just coding section only. So they are making sense too, and their themes and plugins too are cheap and clean, because it's very okay you go or work with something that is very okay to use, not themes or plugins that is going to be giving you problem or making sure your clients or your website keep crashing. So all their themes and plugins are easy to buy, and it's kind of almost the same thing. You can also preview them. And another one that I'm going to talk about too is Creative Market. So as you can see, this is Creative Market. They have different theme and plugins also. I think I clicked this before, so there are tons of plugins and themes. Even Canva templates too is here too. So vector, different things are here too, so you can definitely work with them and you see what they have. And the last, I think, is this the last? Ink themes, yeah, ink themes and WP Eden. So these are different places and different themes. Just search. If you just search, you are going to see the result and you can test them. And most of these companies, like of Themeforest, you have money back guarantee. So I'll put the link to all these companies that I mentioned in the description below, so you can easily get access to them. And if you are, let's imagine you want something free, you understand, so you can just search for website portfolio design free. So something like this, if you search for it, you can easily get different free templates of designs that you can easily copy. Most of them comes from GitHub, so you can easily copy them, use them. So that's all this video is all about. So you can work with any of the website that I listed here. So if you've worked with Themeforest or any of the website that I've mentioned here, just put the details or maybe the time, or you buy a theme in this specific website, like I've used Themeforest and I experienced so you understand what I'm trying to say. So let's see how it's going to work out, guys. So I believe if you enjoyed the video, it's going to make sense. If it's going to be like I'm going to be happy if you guys subscribe to my channel, so because related videos and more videos are still going to come up very soon. Okay, so love you guys, bye.